Now, hello guys. Today we are going to learn how to change or how to modify the values in the already entered uh, uh, table. Okay, so just type your password and now type show databases. Here we got the old database. If I want to choose a college, then use college database and stack colon, and our database is changed. Now we are entered in the college database, so we can modify, change anything. If I if I write any query, then it will be changed in the college database. So just type, if I want to need to show tables, then type show tables and this. And if I want to change in the course table, like here we have three tables: admission, course, and student. Or and if I want to change in the course table, then type select star from course, type enter. Here we got the table. Actually I have already created in the earlier videos. Now here I want to change this course type in full-time and part-time. Okay, now I'm going to use the command update 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 course, like we are modifying the course table. So just type update in the caps, update course course. Okay, and set set course type. Like we need to change the course type column, that's why we use the set course type. Okay, course type is equal to double inverted commas, course type physical. Like if I need to change this as a part-time. Okay, part-time part-time, where where customer id, we need to give them a customer id to get that value changed. So our cid cid is equal to cid is equals to 23070. Okay, now just type this, and what course type is not here. Okay, data too long for the column course type. Okay. Now actually is that data is too long, and I set it earlier in the 8, so we need to just part. Okay, now if we enter and our query is okay, now I'm going to show you the changed value that I made it in this table. So just type show table. No, show table not. It's select star from course and type this. Now here my CID 23070 course type is changed into the part. Okay, so here if I need to change this to 3076 CID as a part-time, then we need to give the CID here. Okay, core like course ID, like course ID will be different, but the course name, course type, and these all may be same, but course ID is different. That's why I'm choosing here course ID and just type 6. So here our query is okay. Now again I show you the course table. So here like this 23076, and the course type is changed into the part-time job. Remember, like part-time course, sorry. Okay, now here today we learn that how to update uh, values in any table. If I need to change the total seats here, like physics have 499. If I want to change it up to 99, then here you need to change the name of these, like total seats as 99, where CID is this. Okay, now type enter. Our query is okay. Now I'm going to show you the table again, uh, like this. So here our physics course, the total seats is only 99. Okay, did you understand all this? If uh, if you want to change the duration of these courses, okay, like physics, if you want to choose physics duration as 4, then then go to here and give them its 4, and the course type is change duration as 4, where CID is this, and type enter. Our query is okay. Now if I want to show you, then show this. So here the physics course name and the duration is changed into the 4. If you got that, here is 3, but we updated and we got the 4 duration. I hope you understand this all. Yeah. Okay, so keep learning, focusing. That's it, man.